this video, we will show you how to access Cloud from Google Chrome side panel. Now, Cloud Cowork is available on Google Chrome side panel. How to do that? First, in here, you can click this three dot icon and go to extensions and choose visit Chrome Web Store. And in here, you need to type Cloud and you can install the Cloud extension here. Okay, unfortunately, this extension is just for paid plan of Cloud. In here, we will show you how to just add this extension. Just click add extension here, and after you click add extension, it's still loading. Wait until the process is completed. Okay, and you can access later in this extension menu on Google Chrome. You can see there. Now the Cloud Cowork is can access via this, okay, and via this application it will open in the side panel here, okay. But in here, unfortunately, for now, Cloud in Chrome requires a paid plan. Okay, let me show you how the Cloud in Chrome looks like. You can see this video. You can see this is the Cloud looks like here. Okay, you can access via this menu and select Cloud, and you need to log in after you have a paid plan. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to access Cloud Coworks in Google side panel, so you can work with Cloud directly is with your tab here. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.